Hi guys, this is the clutch matic system inside the actuator. This is the engagement position, the default up when the pedal is up. This is how you have to install the default position. This edge should be perpendicular to the long one. This is the power supply, powered by the 12 volt batteries. Don't try it from 6 or 24, it works only from 12 volt. So if you have more than different, then use DC-DC converter to set the 12 volt. This is the ECU unit, the cable harness attached over here. 4 cables coming out of the ECU from the control unit to the green. The blue and the green goes to the motor power supply. Blue to the blue, red to the red one. Here there is a positioning sensor of the pulley. This gives position where the pedal up or down. Red to the red one. Red volt is 5 volts supplied by the power supply. Not the power supply, but the ECU unit. Black one is the ground and the white is supplying the signal. So put together the system on the table. Don't do any further stuff. Just adjust cable harness with the ECU and the clutch system, and turn it on with the main switch, which is the black one. It should be installed on dashboard. Short beep indicating everything alright. We have a micro switch. When you click it once, it goes pedal fully up. When you rotate this adjuster, it adjusts the position, how far should comes back to the engagement position of the actuator. So let's see what it means. Push it once, as I said, and when you release the actuator, it goes back to that position, which is adjusted by this little adjuster. So when you turn it up and down, it will go back and forth. It depends on how far you have to release the clutch pedal to smoothly be engaged the clutch disc, and the car will crawl on the street. So when you click it long, it will start coming up the pedal, so it's moving back to the original position of the pulley. When it's reached, it will stop. So obviously with using R1, R2 and R4, RV4, you can adjust the speed and the additional parameters. Feel free to play with that. The RV4 is what you can adjust how far, what would be the stroke of this unit. So this system will be delivered very soon, and this is the final things. There is the controller, there's a heatsink for hot countries, and what it means, for example, adjusting this a little bit, one direction, pushing again, what it does, it goes in different way. Huh? You see that the clutch engagement position in this case coming much later. So when you click it again, but short, don't hold it, then it goes fast back. Short, comes back, short, push it and hold, it will keep up the keep pressed in the pedal. Squeeze it, come back, and one more time it goes out. So you can use it when you are in move, so you don't need to really stretch your clutch disc by letting slowly up the pedal, but it depends what you want to do. So one more time, let's rotate it to the opposite direction. Let's see what will happen. It will stop much earlier, as you can see. So in this case, when the catch pedal is much closer to the firewall on your vehicle, then use this adjuster to adjust to the necessary manner. You can see now it's coming up. Anytime when you release the button, it will come back a little bit and stop this, but in the reality, obviously, when there is a load on the pulley, it will not come back so much. So I would encouraging you to test it freely, as long as it's necessary to get familiar how the things work. Also, please adjust the RVs to understand what are the circumstances, and when you fully understood how the system behaves, please only proceed with the fitting of the vehicle. I would do that. Okay, so anytime when you turn it off, short beep or longer beep, turn it on, show a beep. Let's see, adjusting the RVs a little bit, what will happen. I'm adjusting clockwise. Clockwise means we reduce the stroke. You can see, you push it, it stopped much earlier. When I release the button, it comes back proportional, a smaller distance. So just make we adjusted clockwise and it reduced the stroke. Thank you very much, guys. As I said, this will be delivered for the customer directly. This is the final test and the full functional test that the customer could get, not a faulty or defective product. Thank you very much. Bye bye.